Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to contact TesterUp support. If you want to reach out to TesterUp support team, then there are basically many ways you can do so. First of all, launch open a web browser and log into your official website for TesterUp. Type in TesterUp.com in the URL box and log into your account like you normally do. After you are signed into the account, from the main home page, scroll all the way down and click on the support option. Now select the area that you need support with from the options and you will be able to find solutions to any questions that you are having problem with. You can also submit a request and reach out to TesterUp support by clicking on the Submit a Request button at the top right. Select a problem or a request you need help with and go ahead and enter your email address associated with your account. Select your region, enter the subject you need help with. You can also describe whatever problem you are facing throughout the platform. And also, you'll need to go ahead and get your customer ID. Go to the settings button from the main homepage and copy your customer number. Paste it inside the customer number text box. If you've got any attachments or files you will need to mention that might help you recover with your problem, then you can add it right here and finally click on the submit button to get help from the TesterUp support team or submit a request in it. So that is how you will be able to reach out to customer support for TesterUp whenever you are facing any kind of issues or you need help with TesterUp. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.